Hey, Mike with the Hart family, and we are headed to the Clearwater Farmers Market, and this is in downtown Clearwater, right outside of Clearwater Beach. We're cruising across the Courtney Campbell Causeway right now that takes you from Tampa over to Clearwater. And we've been to this market before. It looks like it changed names, and also there's a grilled cheese food truck there called Griddle on the Riddle. So we're gonna check out the market, check out this grilled cheese. I don't know if you guys have seen my other video. We did a Tom and Che video that had the grilled cheese donut. So grilled cheese connoisseur here, so we're gonna go check it out. Courtney Campbell Causeway. Whoa. So Riddle on the Griddle is a grilled cheese food truck. Runs up and down the, you're picking your nose. Runs up and down the local area here, going to different markets and things like that. They're known for their pony bread, which is a whole wheat bread. And the whole idea, or the riddle, is what is a casual comfort food that has endless creative possibilities, and that is the grilled cheese. We're here, girls. Yay! Got a big parking lot right over here. All right, well, last time we were here was much larger, and this whole street out here was filled with vendors, so, but I see the grilled cheese truck. There it is, Riddle on the Griddle. Big slush, big crush. It's not too bad. Okay.
All of our living stitches, they're all natural, frozen beverages made with fresh ingredients.
Minnie Mouse. What'd you guys find? Let's see it, Annie. Let me see. Anna and Elsa? Cute.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Thank you. Let me see it, babe. Oh, cute. Yeah, me neither. She doesn't either. That's why she's a pain.
So you have paint? Anybody have paint to start with?
Oh, there is an airplane, yeah. Yellow airplane, you're right. That's a new way to do it. It's too cold to hold. You crushing the big crush? You guys got front row seats. Whoa, and you're out of here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You got your seat beat? Maya, what's on your knees? What are those? Cats? What kind of noise they make? Meow, 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 meow. I got a question to ask you. Hey, I got a question to ask you. You can't run from me. Can I ask you a question? Hey, I gotta ask you something. I'm not a good interrogator. You guys ready for some grilled cheese? Yeah! There we go. I know food would get you. Ani, some grilled cheese, you ready? Let's go!
Alright. Well, yes, I'm man.
What time are you guys out here till?
We're out here till 2.
Till 2? Okay. Cool.
Got a cranberry almond, kind of like biscotti cookie. This is a toasted chocolate chip with walnut.
What's this?
Oatmeal dark chocolate. That's a cheddar herb zucchini corn loaf.
Interesting.
There you go. So feel free to like it or follow or share.
Handcrafted sweets.
Captain Recycler. Oh, yeah. You want a Captain
Captain Recycler?
Here you go, honey.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
let's take it out of the bag, though. There you go. I've got
Thank
some
you.
extra.
Burrito.
What do we got? Some bath?
These are all
bath stuff?
natural salt scrubs, lotions, body oils, and such. All of my products are organic and vegan. They're safe to use from the face down to the bottom of your feet.
Cool.
They're actually great for acne, psoriasis, dry skin, eczema, and stuff. But if you
How you doing?
That's right.
Ooh, look at this. Dog bakery. Should we get something for Maestro? You think he'd like chicken strips?
Here you go.
Right there.
Take that for your puppy. Hold on, I'll give you the change.
Somebody's hungry. She's running for it. Oh, I finally found you. Been following you on Instagram.
Oh, okay.
Oh man, I think I already know what I want. Mm-hmm. The Che bacon for sure. You can't have grilled cheese, right, Tina? What about for the girls? And a yeah, so we'll do the Che bacon and a classic, please.
All right.
They look great.
Actually, all of those are very popular.
There's Daddy's. Is it good, honey? There we go. Wow. Gotta dip it. Mm-hmm. Oh no. Nap time.
I like the bread.
You like it, Myers?
Yeah.
Maya. She said so good.
There. Bang! 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 There! Bang! 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 Bang!
Oh, cute. That was cute. Thank you.
There, sit! Sit! High five!
Yeah! That's a wrap. Did you have fun? No? Did you? You can't even give me a thumbs up? You faked me again? Did you like your grilled cheese at least? It was good, right? Really nice out here, Clearwater Farmers Market. So, let me get a big kiss. Good night, okay? Big kiss, honey. Did you have fun? How was your grilled cheese? Was it awesome? Yeah? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Let me get a big kiss. Big kiss, come on. Maya, did you have fun? You look like you're ready for bed. 2, 1. Did you like your grilled cheesy? Yeah, it was good. You're chomping on it pretty good. Can I get a big kiss? Good night. Loves you. Whew. All right, guys, heading home. Just wrapped up at Clearwater Farmers Market, and it was a good time. We found griddle on the riddle. The grilled cheese were awesome. I had the one with the bacon. It was really good. They had a little marinara dipping sauce. It was awesome. So we spoke to one of the market managers. She came over and said hello and said they just kind of started back out here again, but they are here every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's free to park. There's parking down here, plenty of parking. There's porta pots. I say that because I go every 5 minutes. And it was just really nice to get outside, especially in December here, almost January. It's 74 degrees. Gotta love Florida sometimes, right? So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Maestro, we got you treats today. Chicken strips.
Oh no, Maestro. Oh no.
Let's see if he likes it. And he's off. He loves it.